Hello friends, today in this video I will show you insert line or chart bar in MS Word. You can very easily insert this. So firstly need to click on insert. So just click on insert and here you see this chart. So just click on it, add a chart. So here you see this line. So just click on line and here you see this OK, just click on OK. So now you can very easily add this chart, and you can also customize this chart by here this alag some different themes and outlines, and many are styles. You see this shadow and many are effects, and so you can adjust this and you can modify it. So you can very easily add a chart in. You can very easily insert line or chart bar in Word, and you can customize also. So thanks for watching this video.